Hello rail fans and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Got a short one here for you right now from our trip out west. This is the Rocky Mountaineer passenger / excursion train as it makes its way eastbound through Bond, Colorado. So we read up a little bit about this service. The Rocky Mountaineer started out as a Canadian excursion train, and they have three different choices now up in Canada. And they've recently started, or maybe a couple of years ago, started service in the Colorado-Utah area. So they have two trains, one that goes from Moab to Denver and another that goes from Denver back to Moab. They stop for the night in Glenwood Springs, Colorado, which was close to where we were in Bond. And the passengers get off and go to a hotel for the night. There's no sleeping cars in the train. So it's a 2-day trip from Moab to Denver or the other way. Looks to be pretty pricey, almost a couple $1,000s a passenger each way. At least that was the tickets we looked up at the time we were there. Now we saw another one of these parked in Moab that had Rocky Mountaineer power and locomotives on it. The one we saw here had UP locomotives, so I'm not sure if UP runs it along the main line and then they hand it off to Rocky Mountaineer power when it gets to close to Moab and they take it on their tracks down into town, or if maybe they just don't have enough power and so they also utilize some UP power. I'm not sure. But on this day, this one's got two UP leaders, both SD70Ms. 4927 and 3880. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.